Interested in paid marketing on Pinterest? Wondering what these Pinterest Premier ads are? Confused on why a weird bearded man is talking about Pinterest? Hello folks, I'm Jeff C. from Social Media News Live, and in this video, we're going to be talking all about Pinterest's new Premier ads and some best practices for video ads in general. Pinterest recently hosted a marketing and advertising summit. Now it was a virtual summit because we're all stuck at home. They gave attendees an exclusive look at several new ad and marketing tools and products. And the first of this is called Pinterest Premier. It is a new video ad solution that apparently enables advertisers to engage with their audience at scale, thanks to exclusive video placement. On the Social Media News Live show, we recently talked with Elisa Meredith from Tailwind what these Pinterest Premier ads are and the best way to use them. Check it out.
With Pinterest Premier, they're going to be shown in the home feed, and it's an exclusive placement. So that means you're not going to be competing with other video ads there, which of course means it's going to cost a lot more. I don't have details on the cost, but it is going to be, it's going to depend on your package and the target audience. So the different packages are based on duration. So you could have a 1 day, or you could have a 2 week, or a 4 week engagement. The 1 day is like, you're the only thing they're going to see basically in the home feed. I mean, there'll be other pins, but you get major exposure on that 1 day. And the 2 and 4 week, you get 30% share of that particular category and demographic. The big advantage I see is that when you run a Pinterest ad, it can take a little time to kind of ramp up and really start to work. So I have tried ads for very short-term promotions, and they just don't work. They have not worked for me. Even with, there's an option called accelerated spending that will like try to get it out for you more, but it just didn't work for me. So having this kind of dedicated, like, this is my day, I want everyone to see this video on this 1 day, could be really, really valuable. It's not something you can do through the self-service dashboard though. It's going to be fully managed via Pinterest. So you want to plan far ahead and work with a Pinterest ad rep. What they're telling us to do, like how to build the video, is telling for what should work in other video ad placements, which is preferred length is 15 seconds, but you can go up to 30.
Well, what does that
what
mean?
is that telling us?
That's a big barrier there.
In regular video ads, you can go longer, but I think this is really clearly telling us that the short ads are going to work more. Like if you're going to spend that much money, you ought to go with these recommendations and probably keep it 15 seconds. 240 ppi resolution, under 2 gigabytes in size. You can do square, you can do like the max width, which is going to be even more money, or you can do the standard. And then the reporting is going to be provided by Pinterest as well. At Tailwind, we are experimenting a bit more with video, and we are finding that they are tremendously impactful, have really high click-through rate. And Pinterest is saying in these releases about Premier that the video ads have a 3x higher view rate than other social platforms. It really can be very effective. I think because there is less video on Pinterest and other places too, it's probably more effective. And they influence what people buy. So they actually do things, right? So they're discovering new ideas, learning new skills, they're taking action. And that's something that we learned in a recent data study at Tailwind too, like looking at the pins that went out in January 2021 that got more than 5,000 saves on the platform in that month alone. We found that 30% of the ones we've analyzed so far were video pins. So video pins are doing amazingly well. We noticed a lot of repurposed TikTok videos. They're almost all like how-to, step-by-step, like really walking somebody through how to do something.
So, will you use Pinterest Premier ads? Let us know down below if you think this will be a part of your marketing strategy on Pinterest. Now, if you'd like to watch the entire episode with Elisa Meredith, it will come up at the end of this video. And if you'd like to listen to this episode as a podcast, that link is in the description down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.